This tutorial is for first grade Module 4, Lesson 13. In this lesson we will use pictures and place value charts to help us add greater numbers. The directions say use the pictures to complete the place value chart and number sentence. So if we look at our first problem, we have some cubes. We have 22 white cubes. I have a group of 10 here, another group of 10, and 2 more white cubes. To that, we have added 6 gray cubes, and that shows the number sentence down here. We have 22 white cubes, and we've added 6 gray cubes. When we did that addition, we still ended up with 2 10s, but now we have 8 ones altogether, because we added the 6 and the 2, and we got 8. That tells us that 22 plus 6 equals 28. The method we want to use here to count on is to start with the 22 and add on 6 more. So I could say 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Or I could use the fact that 2 plus 6 equals 8. So 22 plus 6 equals 28. So we want to use those basic facts to help us with this addition. Moving on to the next problem, I have another group of 10 and another group of 10 white, and next to it I have 7 more white cubes. So that would mean I'm starting with 27 white cubes and I'm adding 3 gray cubes to that total. When I add the 7 cubes and the 3 gray cubes, you can see that gives me another group of 10. So my sum would show me that I have 3 groups of 10, and now I don't have any extra ones because I used my 7 ones and my 3 ones to make that third group of 10. So 27 plus 3 equals 30. We'll use the same process here with our 10 stick. So I'm starting off with 10 and 2 more. That gives me 12. To that, I'm adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more ones. So 12 plus 6 would be my number statement. When I combine my 12 and my 6, I still have 1 10. So I'll put 1 in the tens place. But now, since I had 2 and I added 6 more ones, that gives me 8 ones altogether. So 12 plus 6 equals 18. Moving on, I have another 10 stick, and this time I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones that go along with the 10 stick. So that's 16, and then to that I added 4 more ones. You can see when I add the 4 more ones, I get another group of 10. So in my place value chart, I'll show that I now have 2 groups of 10 and no ones, since I used both the 6 ones and the 4 ones together to make that second group of 10. So 16 plus 4 equals 20. In the next section, I'm going to use number bonds to break my 2-digit number into tens and ones, and that will help me add. So the first problem shows 21 plus 9. I'm going to break 21 into 20 and 1. I have 2 groups of 10 and I have 1 left over. And you can see my 21 in my picture here. So there's my 2 groups of 10 and the 1. To that I'm going to add 9. So if I combine my 9 and my 1, that gave me another set of 10. So my final answer will be 30 because I had the 2 sets of 10, and when I combined my 1 and my 9, I got another set of 10, which gave me 3 sets of 10 in all. Let's go across to number 6. Here I'm adding 21 plus 7. So again, we'll break the 21 into 20 and 1. I'm going to combine my ones. I had 7. I'm adding 1 more. That gives me 8 ones. And then I have my 2 tens. So 21 plus 7 equals 28. Next I have 13 plus 7. 13 is made up of 10 and 3. Let's combine our 7 and 3 first. Well, 7 and 3 would give me a 10. I'm going to combine that 10 with my original 10. Now I have two groups of 10. So 13 plus 7 equals 20, or two groups of 10. When I add 26 to 4, I'll break that into 20 and 6. I'll combine my 4 and my 6. Well, 4 and 6 make 10, so I take that 10 and combine it with my two 10s, or my 20. So 10 plus 20 is 30, which means 26 plus 4 is 30. We have two more examples. Here I have 32, and I'm going to add 3. So I'll break the 32 into 30 and 2. I'll combine my 1s. 3 and 2 make 5. And then I have the original 3 10s, or 30. So 32 plus 3 equals 35. And my last problem is 38 plus 2. 38 is made up of 30 and 8. I'll combine my 1s. 2 and 8 give me 10. So I'll combine that 10 with the 30, and that would give me 40. So 38 plus 2 equals 40.